Today we're going to put the centre stand on my Triumph Tiger. Right, so I had to stop here and do a little update because this bit here talks about putting this spring adapter on, which essentially sits up here on the bike, and then the spring connects from here down to the stand to obviously hold the thing on and whatnot. Anyway, this instruction here says at the free threaded bolting on the inner side, and damned if I could find the thing. So I found it and I thought I would show you where it is, because it's not clear on the instructions where it is at all. Anyway, so here's the foot peg on the right side, back there's the oil sight window, and then back behind here, so you can see my finger, there we go, is the hole there. So very well hidden. And all of this gubbins has got to go in there. So I've got to try and do that in a tiny space. Actually, that's quite useful, isn't it? Maybe I can keep my camera there. Fiddly. Not enough hands. It's just as well got small fingers. Anyway, let's see if I can do that. Focus. Oh, it's probably not going to, it's too close. Anyway, a bit of an update. As you can see, I've got the bolt on with this assemblage, which was a bit crazy to hold into one place round the back with one hand whilst tightening it with a 10mm spanner, but I got there. It's a bit fiddly to get in there, but you can. Anyway, it says in the thing this is meant to run free. Is that right? Yeah, well, let's hope so. Anyway, there you go. So job done. And now to put the spring on. So the spring bracket is on, ready to be attached down onto this here. At the minute I've just got everything hand tight, so on this side and then round here. Oh. Okay, so we've got this stopper, that's all just on as well. So the original bolts, which are over there, were here. Instructions say to take those out, these then go in and hold this bracket on then. So I've got a few things to tighten up. I've got to put some Loctite on, tighten it all up, and then try. The big thing I've got a problem with is getting this spring stretched down, because as you can imagine, it's really tough. So I've got there's a special tool which I don't have. Oh man. Anyway, so that's that. Once all that's done, then it'll be a done stand. Get in there. Leverage. It is all about leverage. Spring is on. That was an extremely difficult job. So I tried doing a thing called the penny trick, which is where you try and stretch the thing out and put 2p coins, except I don't have any money. I had about 6 coins, so that didn't work. And then I tried putting little like masonry hook things inside, and that didn't work either. So in the end I grabbed this big screwdriver, popped it in through the hooks into there, leveraged it in, a bit more with this one, pinged in, and I'm very happy. So it is on. Job done.
It's not a instructional video exactly. It's more just me blah blah blah.